Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2020 230 SLX by Sea Ray. This 230 SLX has got SeaDeck on the swim deck, has a flip down swim platform, rear seat, cup holders, got a flagpole base, has a cooler underneath this lid, solid through bolted cleats, has quick release fender holders, gas cap, back here we have the battery switches, easy access, it's a hatch lift, has nice diamond stitching in the upholstery, has twin captain chairs with bolster thigh rise, dual Simrad flat screens, digital throttle, has a very nice large bow area, anchor locker, speakers, cup holders down on the floor, 4 of those, has a stainless windshield, bimini top with a collapsible tower. If you'd like to see this Sea Ray 230 SLX, give us a call. MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168.